Is your Samsung TV giving you a headache? YouTube not working, Netflix refusing to load, TV stuck on the boot logo, Wi-Fi disconnecting over and over again, HDMI not working or showing no signal, apps not downloading or just disappearing, Samsung store not opening? Yeah, I know the struggle. But here's the secret most people don't know. You can fix almost all these problems by accessing a hidden service menu that Samsung doesn't want regular users to mess with. The secret menu lets you reset, reconfigure, and troubleshoot your TV from the inside. But it's locked behind secret codes and methods. And the best part, I'm about to show you every known method to open the Samsung service menu, no matter what model you have. There are many models out there, and each one might need a different code. So in this video I will cover all the working methods to access the secret menu. Let me know in the comments which code worked for you, and if none of them do, just drop your TV model number and I will personally reply with the right one for you. Smash that like button, subscribe to Electronic Secret, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a trick. Alright guys, let's jump in.